Get your augments on, get your buffs out.
Skilled and rev augment. And good.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Flourish in 5.
Knockback.
Healing potion in 8. Personals in 8.
First breath. Bombs 2. Bait second breath.
Healing potion in 8. Tranquility in 8. Personals
And
in
use
8.
defensives.
Stampeding roar in 8.
Health pot. Third breath. Last bombs. Group up.
Invoke the
Sure, walking
spirits in
together.
8. Personals in 8. Holy word, salvation in 8.
Use defensives.
Richter Lawu in 8.
And then get in for the AMZ. Edge on green.
Convoke the spirits in 8.
Three, two, one. Be on square. Okay, that's a real nice deck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Be up. Be up, be up. Good blossoms here, melee. Be on X. Everyone's cleaving off Sark. Range stack up for first bombs. Three, two, one. Reposition yourself for breath 2. Melee, come up towards range for blossoms. Be on X. Everyone's on recollections besides SRAM and Nico. Infinite Dress goes gate to gate.
Convoke the spirits in 8.
Spelling in
Flourish
3,
in 8.
2, 1. You're gonna knock. Just res him. Good blossoms here, melee. Everyone's on recollection. Cleave off Sark.
Personals in 8.
3, 2, 1.
Personals in 5.
Group up. Make sure we use Bop. Going down in 3, 2, 1. Range, make sure to stack up on triangle when we come up. Coming up in 3, 2, 1. Be up. Where's Maisie? Be quick about it if we can. Oh, we don't
8
have.
seconds.
Sokka immune it. Thank God.
Invoke the spirits in 8.
Bombs get down. There's a bomb in group. Someone has a bomb and needs to get down.
Someone took it. I didn't get it.
5,
Sokka's got it.
4, 3,
I think we're okay.
1.
Yeah, just. Alright, make sure to readjust to gate.
Personals in 8.
If interest is stack up.
Flourish in 8.
Dispel in 2, 1. Use defensives. Stack up, stack up. Walk out together. Range, stay out. Second potion, swim best for you.
Tranquility in 8.
I see. You're going to grab a bomb, and Edgy, you're going to grab a bomb, okay? This next set. Sokka, don't grab here. This goes to
To
X.
X, to X.
It's too late. Just stay there. Just stay there. I see our Edgy, when you get black hole, use defensives, use anything to live here during this hide. We're going to be ticking for lots of damage. You're going to run to X, okay? But use health zone, health pot, anything you have. If don't get darkness down during the hide if you have it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, next black hole, you're going to X. Next infant duress is going to nipple.
Flourish in 8. Healing potion in
Get
8.
attacks. Oh, you're going to. Yeah.
Personals in 8.
Infinite duress, get to nipple. Dispelling in 3, 2.
Personals
We
in
didn't get
8.
one, we're good.
My meta.
Just grab these, yeah. Run away from these bombs. Let 2 people grab them. Somebody and go down right away. And then group back up, guys. Second potions if you haven't. Use defensives here. We're just not dying. Run out. Take your time. Ignore the ads. Group up, group up, group up. One running together. We're ignoring these duresses. Just kill boss. Keep these people up. Black hole run out. Immunities, anything you guys have, just get into hide.
2, 1.
New berries.
He's got this.
Let Death Knight go, 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 go.
Do you have a B-res? No.
Nobody's
No,
gonna
it's a
kill
minute.
here.
Come on, baby.
Just kill it.
Holy shit! Go!
Oh my god! I was so worried I made the wrong one.
God!
Oh my
Oh,
god,
fucking
bro!
go.
That
In
was
true
sweet,
Hearst
bro.
fashion, I'm fucking.
What
Oh, I'm
blast.
done.
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Suck blueberries.
Let's fucking go.
That was the cleanest kill of all time.
Get
Oh, that's
fuck
fucking
scale shape.
beautiful.
Didn't even need you
Holy
to.
shit!
Oh, good
Guys, he didn't even need us. He just,
Oh,
we just,
fucking
why did
fucking
we even come?
Three healed it.
Oh my god.
Newberry is